So, next natin to. So, paano naman kung yung ating tangent is odd number? Ayan. So, papansin nyo, this tangent is an odd, raised to 3 siya. No? And this one is, yeah. So, sa may tangent lang naman din tayo titingin. Basta yung magkasama itong secant tsaka si tangent. So, titingin tayo sa may tangent. Since that is odd, kapag odd siya, ang iabang naman natin is ito. Ito ang iabang natin. So, secant x, tangent x yung iabang natin. Or kung ano man yung dito niya, sa may loob ng ating trigo. So, basta ang kailangan natin dyan is, iabang natin is yung secant x, tangent x. So, since dito, madali lang din to guys. Ilabas lang natin yung isang tangent tsaka isang secant dito sa ating equation. So, we will have this. We have tangent. Bawasan ko to ng isa. So, from cube, maging na siyang squared 2t. And then this one, secant, squared 2t. Ayan. And then yung mainilabas natin. So, we have this one. We have secant 2t. And then, tangent 2t dt. Ayan. So, ano ba yung kapag dinerivative mo, ang sagot is secant and tangent. Diba? That is secant. Diba? So, nakaabang na yung ating du mamaya. Pero, be cautious kasi may 2t tayo dito. So, may neutralizing factor yan. Mamaya na 2 or 1/2 yung neutralizing factor natin. So, identities muna tayo dito. So, kailangan natin palitan ito in terms of secant. No? So, again, our trigo, but our identities is secant squared 2t is equal siya sa tangent squared 2t plus 1. Ayan. So, ipalit lang natin siya dito sa ating trigo. Dito sa ating problem. So, we will have this. Kailangan natin siya into secant. So, transpose lang natin tong 1 dito. So, that will become, direct ko na lang sulat dito. So, we will have this. Secant squared 2t minus 1. Then, secant squared 2t. And then, secant 2t tangent 2t dt. Yan. And then, i-multiply lang natin lahat yan. So, we will have this integral of, so, squared, tapos dito ay squared din. So, that will become raised to 4. And then, yung nakaabang na, ayan, yung nakaabang natin na du. Yan, mamaya. Then, dito is subtraction naman tayo. Secant squared 2t. Secant 2t. So, yung mga iba is nagpapalit na agad dito. Nag-u-subs na sila. Which is okay din para medyo mas konti yung ating sinusulat. Goods yun. So, ngayon, mag-let u na tayo. So, our u is equal to secant 2t. And our du will become secant 2t tangent 2t times 2 dt. Ayan. So, may neutralizing factor pa tayo na 1/2. Yun. Then, yan. So, may mga neutralizing factor tayo na 1/2. So, this becomes 1/2. Then, plus 1 lang tayo. So, that will become 1/5 secant raised to 5 2t. Yan. Then, minus 1/2 din sa kabila times 1/3 secant raised to 3 2t, yan, plus c. So we can still simplify or multiply that. 1 all over 10 second raised to 5 2t minus 1 all over 6 second cube 2t plus c. So we get this answer.